Let's be school ready with Teacher Ray. Hello, everyone. I am Teacher Ray. Today, we are going to learn about colors. Are you ready? You may say, "Yes, I am." Red, red, red flowers. Red apple. Blue, blue, blue bicycle. Blue cap. Yellow, yellow, yellow star. Yellow banana. Green, green, green frog. Green shirt. Orange, orange, orange carrot. Orange ball. Violet, violet, violet grapes. Violet bag. Brown, brown, brown chocolate. Brown bear. Black, black, black camera. Black spider. White, white, white clouds. White envelope. Pink, pink, pink clock. Pink cup. Awesome! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.